Hello guys, so today I'm going to show to you how you can use Yupoo or Pandabuy to buy stuff from Yupoo. So we are here on some sellers page on Yupoo, and here we're gonna find a product that we like. So let's say we like this jacket, and how you're going to buy from Pandabuy is there are two ways. So for example, there is a way where if there is a Weedian link in the description of the product, you can just copy that link and you go onto Pandabuy, you log in, or you create an account on Pandabuy, and you just paste the link onto the search bar here and you click on search. And once you do that, it will open a Pandabuy article. So it will open a Pandabuy listing for that product, and you can just buy it straight from Pandabuy. However, this product isn't listed on Pandabuy, or at least we don't have a link. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up here and you are going to copy this link, and you are going to take this link and you are going to paste it into the Pandabuy search bar. Now once you are here and you click on paste, it will open this part of the website. So as you can see here, you will need to fill in certain data. So there's the product link, which you have copied, and then there's the product name. Now here it automatically filled in the product name, but if it doesn't, you will just go on to the product that's listed in Yupoo and you will copy this part of the page. So this is the product name. Now once you do that, in the specifications part, you will enter based on the product. So if it's shoes, you will enter your shoe size. If it's for example a jacket, you will enter your size. So let's say I want size L. And then images, it also added the image automatically, but you can also upload the image. Now down here for the fee, so the price of the unit, as you can see here in the product name, it says 158 CNY. So we're going to add 158. However, as you can see here, it says if the price is unknown, if the seller didn't list the price, fill in 1 CNY and you will place the order and wait for the agent to confirm the underpaid amount. As for the shipping cost, usually the shipping cost is around 10 CNY, but here you can also apply the thing where if you add a smaller amount, then the agent will confirm how much you need to pay more. So let's just say 10 CNY. And once you do that, you will click on either buy now or add to cart. And once you have first of all, you need to agree to terms of service. And once you do this, you will just proceed to checkout, and then you will pay for your product, and that's it. Once you pay for the product, you will be notified once the product hits the Pandabuy warehouse. You will get the QC, and then you can go on from there as buying from any product from Pandabuy. So yeah, this is the entire process, and I hope that this video is helpful to you.